Hello humans, I'm Tamela, your favorite mermaid real estate agent, here with a deep dive into Florida's housing market. Are home prices sinking like treasure in the ocean depths? Stick around and I'll reveal what's really happening under the waves of the Florida housing market. First, let's talk about the overall trends. Florida's housing market has been on a wild ride, much like a turbulent sea. The post-pandemic boom sent prices soaring, but now some areas are cooling off. Buyers who were once swept away by bidding wars are now seeing calmer waters with more options. But what does that mean for home prices? Across Florida, we're seeing a mix of trends. On the surface, it looks like home prices are nosediving, but it's not quite that simple. This shift is more like a gradual descent, with some areas still holding strong, while others are feeling the pressure. Now let's dive deeper into the local currents. In cities like Miami and Tampa, prices have taken a bit of a plunge. These markets were once the hottest hides, but now they're cooling off. On the other hand, smaller coastal towns where demand remains high are seeing more stability. That means if you're looking to buy in a big city, you might find some unexpected deals. But if you're eyeing those peaceful beachfront properties, prices might not be dropping as much as you'd hoped. Whether you're buying or selling, this market offers opportunities and challenges alike. For buyers, the rising inventory means more options and less pressure to bid way over asking. You can take a breath, just like when surfacing from a deep dive. And with mortgage rates stabilizing, it could be a good time to explore your options. Sellers, on the other hand, might need to be a little more patient. If you're hoping to ride the wave of high prices from earlier this year, you might need to adjust your expectations. Pricing competitively is key right now. That doesn't mean you're out of luck, though. You're still strong demand, especially for well-maintained homes in desirable locations. So before you dive headfirst into selling, make sure to consult with your local real estate expert to understand the currents in your area. What's next for the Florida housing market? While prices are stabilizing, we're not expecting a dramatic crash. Instead, think of it like the tide going out, gradually lowering before it comes back in. Experts predict that we'll continue to see some price corrections, especially in overvalued markets. But as long as demand for Florida living stays high, which it always does, thanks to our warm weather and our beautiful beaches, the market will find its balance. Whether you're buying or selling, staying informed is the best way to navigate these waters. Keep watching for updates, and I'll make sure you're always prepared for the next wave. Thanks for joining me in today's deep dive into Florida's housing market. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay afloat with all my latest updates. See you next time.